How to change your Facebook cover photo without actually posting it. Let's start by opening Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on your profile picture located in the top left corner to open your profile. Once you're on your profile, you'll see your cover photo at the top. Right below your cover photo, there's a small camera icon. Click on it, and a few options will appear. You can either upload a brand new photo or choose one from your existing Facebook albums. For this guide, we'll upload a new photo. Click on Upload Photo and select the image you want from your device. After your photo finishes uploading, you can click and drag it to position it exactly how you want. Take your time to adjust it until it looks perfect. Once satisfied, hit the Save button. Your cover photo is now updated. Here's where the trick comes in. Scroll down a little on your profile and you might not see your new cover photo immediately. If that happens, refresh the page. Once refreshed, your cover photo will appear at the top. In the top right corner of the cover photo post, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap on them, and from the pop-up menu, select Hide from Profile. Facebook will ask for confirmation, so tap Hide again, and that's it. Your cover photo has now been removed from your timeline. This way, people won't be able to see it or interact with it, but your profile will still display the new cover photo.